According to mythology, Shiva sent his family into all four corners of India. He sent his wife goddess Parvati to east, his elder son Kartikeya to south, his younger son Ganesha to west, while himself staying in northern part. He did so to reach all people. Though internal God is same in all religions, but external forms are different. Differences are due to differences in external bodies only. But there is only one supreme power that regulates the universe in different forms. Namaste everyone. Hope you all are doing great. I am back with a new video of making Ganesha idol. Along with this process of making idol, let's remember our history. Let's talk about Marathas and our freedom fighters. Let the light of their ideology enlighten us with knowledge, respect to humanity, and unity. Lord Ganesha was Kul Devta of the Peshwas. So, Maratha Empire Chhatrapati Shivaji first started celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi publicly in Pune between AD 1630 to 1680. During that time, the Hindu Maratha and Islamic sultanates had confliction in between them in Maharashtra. So, through the grand celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi, Shivaji Maharaja was gathering and uniting his people for freedom from Mughals. The grand celebration comes to end in 1880 with the fall of inherited administration of Maratha Empire, that is Peshwas. Then the Ganesh festival lost state patronage and became a private family celebration in Maharashtra. People started celebrating Ganesh festival in their homes only. But this grand celebration was revived by freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak almost 200 years later after Peshwas. He was inspired by Shivaji Maharaja and used this occasion to stimulate and motivate the people of Maharashtra for freedom against the British. During 1870 to 1890, British passed various orders to prohibit public gathering of Indians. The only exception was Friday assemblies at the mosque for namaz. Lokmanya Tilak selected Ganesh Chaturthi as a religious medium for public gathering. Particularly, he selected Ganesh because all Brahmins and non-Brahmins used to worship Lord Ganesha. Ganesh Chaturthi festival meant everything to the people because their freedom was dependent on it. This is how Lord Ganesha's festival had a great impact on freedom fighting. It had a great role in uniting people of the country. Ganesh Chaturthi was the platform to induce the patriotism among the people of Maharashtra. On 8th September 1896, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak said, "Why shouldn't we convert the large religious festival into mass political rallies?" So, Ganesh festival is the festival of patriotism, festival of unity, the festival of fighting spirit for freedom. 10 days of festival reminds the way how culture unites us for nationalism. If you find this video interesting and value-adding, then please hit the like button. Do comment and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you in my next video.